Are you looking for a portable propane fire pit? In this video, I will show you the 5 best portable propane fire pits based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Outland Living 893. Say goodbye to dirty ash, expensive firewood, and bothersome smoke, and enjoy a clean, realistic propane campfire. The perfect outdoor centerpiece for camping trips, RV travels, tailgating get-togethers, beach parties, and family evenings on the backyard. Durable high-quality steel construction with protective enamel finish for dependable longevity. Superior stainless steel burner and fasteners. Outland Living has outdoor living perfected so you can create the perfect ambience to share stories and good times. The 4th product on the list is the Heininger 5995. There has always been something primal and satisfying about sitting around an open fire, watching the flames dance while you enjoy the company of friends. The Destination Gear portable fire pit makes that experience even better, since you don't need things like firewood, fire starters, patience, and fire building skill. Just hook the portable fire pit to a propane tank, not included, and fire it up. No fuss, no muss. Because propane is smokeless, you won't need to keep shifting your position when the wind changes. Goodbye to ash, purchasing firewood, annoying smoke, and enjoy a clean, realistic propane campfire. A great outdoor centerpiece for camping trips, RV travels, tailgating get-togethers, beach parties, and family evenings on the backyard patio. The 3rd product on the list is the Camp Chef Propane Fire Ring. Camp Chef gas fire pits are allowed for use in most fire ban restrictions. Check with the local ranger station before use. Enjoy the comfort of this forest-friendly portable gas campfire. Whether you're out on the road in the RV, car camping with the family, or just enjoying a night out on the patio, this portable fire ring is sure to keep you warm. Comes with base and high-pressure burner, 12 pounds of lava rock, and a carry bag. Gather around the campfire without worrying about smoke or having wood. Great for all types of activities, this propane fire ring is reliable and sure to liven up any outing. The 2nd product on the list is the Camco 18 inches deluxe fire pit. The patio fire pit is a beautiful and easy-to-use alternative to a permanent fire pit. The attractive metal portable fire ring is ideal for open-air patios, porches, decks, and backyards. There is no need to gather firewood, and no ash or mess to clean up afterwards. An adjustable regulator allows you to control the size of the fire and extinguish it on a whim. Lava rocks heat up with the fire for additional heat output. Patio fire pit features an elevated fire tray with a full burner ring for a propane-fueled, realistic-looking fire. The piezo igniter allows you to light the fire without placing a lighter near the fuel source. The 1st product on the list is the Regal Flame Indoor-Outdoor Monrow Ventless Tabletop. The Regal Flame Black Monrow Tabletop ethanol fireplace provides a warm, glowing flame that dances and swirls to set an elegant ambience as a dining table centerpiece indoors or out. This portable tabletop fire pit fireplace requires no electric, gas, chimney, or gel cans. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.